Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're looking at an essential piece for KORG MicroKEY2 Air users, the USB cable. This is a generic replacement cable cord specifically for the KORG MicroKEY2 Air models, 25, 37, 49, and 61 keys. If you need a replacement or spare, this is designed for that. It's described as 100% brand new and, importantly, 100% compatible despite being generic. The info states units are tested and in great working condition, plus it's CE certified for quality and safety. Performance-wise, it's a high-speed USB 2.0 cable, supporting 480 megabits per second. This is standard and perfectly sufficient for MIDI data and power. It features the common USB Type-A male connector for your computer and a USB Type-B male for the keyboard. The brand is KORG MicroKEY2, focusing on providing a functional, compatible replacement. This cable is the vital link, powering the bus-powered MicroKEY2 Air and handling all MIDI communication. A reliable cable is key for a smooth setup. For KORG MicroKEY2 Air users needing a dependable connection without the official OEM part, this generic replacement offers a solid, tested, and certified option to keep your music setup running.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.